Hey guys, welcome to our yoga. We're doing a quick intermediate flow here today with me on the mat. We're going to start in child's pose, because touching. Really just working our way to get into our inversions, strengthening our inversions into headstands, arm stand, and shoulder stand. We'll show you different ways to get into it through Prasarita, through Prasarita, as well as through arm stand or shoulder stand in this headstands directly. If you're interested in this one, you just stay put, relax, get into the mat, and we'll show our beautiful practice and share with you, okay? Oh, beautiful. Just let me come over here, get your hand down and get stationary here. Good. So we're going to try to get into our hip opener. Just come in sort of the frog pose here, and just try to get comfortable opening up deeper and deeper into the hips here. So hip tightness has a lot of limitations for us mobility-wise on the mat, as well as there's a correlation between anxiety and hip tightness. Also stress and emotional trauma, processing of emotional stimuli throughout the day, okay? So if you find yourself having tighter hips, then an indication that you just need to unwind a little bit and just release the flow. So just loving one more breath here. Try to get down and just breathe. Breathe into that space. Open up wider. Try to expand your frog. Just slurping in. Nice breath control. Nice and wide. Good. Come out. We enter into a fish pose here, much more intensely. Now this is very, very imperative. We try to get comfortable and seated here in our fish pose, or hero's pose. And get into a knee rotation or foot rotation that allows us to go down as we're going to take our fish pose variation into a supine hand opener sort. Try to slip into more breaths here. Try to get the knees open about hip-width distance apart. Open up the shoulders to the shoulder end. Keep the tilt to the upper part of the mat. Raise up the sternum to the ceiling. Raise up the backbone. Tighten your transversus rectus abdominis, your abs, obliques. And just breathe. Slip into more breaths here. Feel the hamstring in a nice release. Breathe into that space. You have to clear off. Just lift up the chest. Really back down again. This way, you're training the spine and the upper chest to get into backbends. That makes it all the more easier to manage. Good. Come out. This feels good. And now we're going to just test our headstand readiness here. Straight into headstand. And the trick is not to get into our neck at all, but to be in our upper chest, our deltoid, and our sternum. Allows us to make this transition with effortless ease. Nice strong core, obliques, transversus, rectus abdominis, get into vacuum pose, allowing us to make this transition with perfect ease. Good. Bring down. Second side, between. Nice strong abs. Again, very much on it home. Back flip already. But this time, we're just testing our readiness. Try to avoid repetition. To already get to flowing. Okay? Woo! I seem to be excited, ready. tends to get out of place. Otherwise, we're just testing our readiness for inversion here. Just going to do star. Do star. Utkatasana. Good. And we're ready. Good. We're going to begin for the first one, we'll do it from crow, Bakasana, at this angle. Bend it into the abs, oblique, core strength, abdominals, allowing us to move just as freely as we please. Good. A little tuggy here. Just flow with it. Good. Bend, 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 bend. Good. Come to headstand. Traditional. Poke out the glutes and down. Now we're going to try Prasarita from this angle. Good. Open up. Sit aside. Good. And now over to the second side. It gets very, very strong. Try as much as available to us. To stay anchored, stay present in the space. Prasarita, that's okay. Just try to stay longer in headstand here. Just breathe into that space. Utkatasana chin. And out. Beautiful. Just bend, 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 bend. If it feels good, you might come to back foot. Into wheel and down. Good. Otherwise, we'll come now into our arm stand. Space. Star, star, Utkatasana, breathe, and bend. And down. Okay. We're ready now to our side. To work out. Just going to fix my garment. So it requires a lot of breath control. We have to master our breath control. And we're releasing the endorphins, cortisol, dopamine, getting to the bloodstream. We feel that rush, that champagne feels that yoga affords us, especially our headstands. Good. Just breathe. Breathe. Relax. And bend. Bend, bend, bend. The wheel. Hold it in. Just hug it in. Try not to rush throughout the steps, okay? Good. This side. Breathe, breathe, and breathe. Good. Just breathe here. Open up the shoulders, relax them in and out. Good. We try to come up in and down to get into bridge. And then we're going to take our traditional wheel. Just to close off today. And a nice back bends. As we do, raise up the tailbone, knuckles down, lift up the sternum. Breathe. 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 It feels good. Come into bridge. Wheel. Raise up. And down. Woo. Sort of a hydrate moment here. I just take it with the rest of the body. How are you feeling? Now practice. Good. Come down, hug it in. Good. Need to come into a happy baby. To plow. We're upside down again. Very good for the blood flow, circulation. Good. Very good. Here. And then we'll close where we began. Our fish pose variation. Raise up the upper chest to the sternum. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just close up here. Close your eyes. And just unwind. Feel the knee rotation, foot rotation. Engage the hamstrings in a nice lift. The abs tight. Tailbone, lifted, sternum, lifted, shoulder rotation, engaged. Just breathe here. One more time. Good. Namaste. Thank you so much for coming. Absolutely love you for joining me today. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment box down below. Let me know how the versions are going. I absolutely love you for watching. I'll see you in the next upload.